In this video, we reveal a type of condition and error that will shock you, because a coin that looks completely ordinary can be worth tens of thousands or even millions of dollars. One tiny mistake, one rare detail, or the perfect condition can turn loose change into a life-changing fortune worth $50,000, $100,000 or more. Most people spend these coins without ever knowing the truth. On Rare Coin Gallery, we uncover the hidden secrets, real value, condition, rare errors, and market trends of every coin, so you can spot the coins that collectors and investors are chasing before it's too late. Look at this. The 1944 steel penny with a D Mintmark is one of the most fascinating mistakes in U.S. coin history, because it represents a coin that was never supposed to exist. By 1944, the U.S. Mint had already ended the use of steel for pennies, yet a tiny number were accidentally produced, creating a legendary error that collectors still chase today. During World War II, copper was a critical metal needed for ammunition and military equipment, which forced the U.S. Mint to change the composition of the 1-cent coin in 1943. That year, pennies were made from zinc-coated steel instead of the traditional copper alloy, resulting in the famous silver-colored 1943 steel cents. Once the worst of the copper shortage passed, the Mint returned to copper-based pennies in 1944. The official plan was clear and documented. All 1944 Lincoln cents were supposed to be struck in a bronze alloy made of 95% copper with small amounts of tin and zinc. However, minting operations were not always perfectly clean or isolated, especially during wartime. A small number of leftover steel planchets from 1943 remained inside the minting facilities, likely stuck in bins, machinery, or hoppers that were not fully cleared. At the Denver Mint, some of these steel planchets accidentally made their way into the presses while 1944 dies were being used. When this happened, the result was a steel coin bearing the date 1944 and the D Mintmark, creating an off-metal error of extreme rarity. Unlike normal 1944 pennies, which are brown or reddish in color due to their copper content, a genuine 1944 D steel penny has a silvery gray appearance. This unusual color is often the first thing that causes people to stop and question whether the coin is real. The composition of a genuine example is zinc-coated steel, the same material used for regular 1943 steel cents. Because of this, the coin is magnetic, which immediately separates it from standard copper 1944 pennies that will not react to a magnet. Weight is another critical identifying factor. A real steel penny weighs around 2.7 grams, noticeably lighter than the approximately 3.11 grams of a normal copper cent from 1944. Even a small difference in weight can reveal whether a coin is genuine or altered. Many fake examples exist because the value of a real 1944 D steel penny is so high. Some copper 1944 pennies have been plated with steel or zinc to imitate the look of a steel cent, but these usually fail the weight test or show copper beneath worn areas. Another common trick involves altering the date on a 1943 steel penny to make it look like 1944. Under magnification, these altered dates often show tool marks, distorted numbers, or unnatural shapes that experienced collectors and graders can detect. What truly makes the 1944 D steel penny legendary is its extreme rarity. Numismatic researchers estimate that only around 7 genuine examples from the Denver Mint are known to exist today, making it one of the rarest Lincoln cent errors ever confirmed. Steel pennies from 1944 are also known from other mints, but they are equally rare. Philadelphia examples without a mint mark are estimated at around 30 pieces, while San Francisco issues are even rarer, with only about 2 confirmed specimens. Because so few were struck and even fewer survived decades of circulation, loss, and melting, These coins are considered major off-metal era rarities. They are not minor mint mistakes, but historic anomalies created by unusual wartime conditions. Collectors place enormous importance on authenticity when it comes to this coin. Due to the high number of counterfeits, no serious buyer will consider a 1944 D steel penny unless it has been authenticated by a respected grading service. Professional grading companies like PCGS and NGC use advanced tools, including precise weight measurements, metal analysis, and microscopic examination, to confirm whether a coin is genuine. Authentication alone can make the difference between a priceless treasure and a worthless novelty. When confirmed as real, even a heavily worn 1944 D steel penny commands an extraordinary price. Circulated examples often sell for tens of thousands of dollars simply because of their rarity and historical significance. Coins in better condition can reach far higher levels. Uncirculated or near-mint examples have been known to sell for $50,000 or more, with exceptional pieces sometimes pushing into six-figure territory at major auctions. Auction records show that collectors are willing to pay a premium for coins with strong eye appeal, original surfaces, and clear mint marks. A sharp D Mintmark and well-defined date can significantly increase desirability. Beyond monetary value, this coin holds deep historical importance. It serves as physical evidence of how wartime pressures affected even the smallest details of everyday life, including the coins people used to buy bread or newspapers. The existence of the 1944 D steel penny also highlights the human element of minting. Despite strict procedures, mistakes could still happen, especially during periods of rapid change and material shortages. For collectors, owning such a coin is not just about wealth, but about possessing a tangible piece of American history. It tells a story of transition, scarcity, and unintended creation that few other coins can match. Many people believe they have found one of these coins, but most turn out to be altered or misidentified. This is why simple tests like magnetism and weight are always the first steps before assuming anything extraordinary. A genuine 1944 D steel penny will always attract serious attention from experts, dealers, and auction houses. Its reputation is firmly established, and demand remains strong despite the extremely limited supply. Because the coin was never officially intended to be produced, it does not appear in standard mint production lists for 1944. This absence only adds to its mystery and appeal among advanced collectors. Over time, the 1944 D steel penny has become one of the most talked-about Lincoln cent errors, often mentioned alongside other famous rarities like the 1943 copper penny and the 1955 doubled die cent. In the end, the 1944 steel penny with a D Mintmark stands as a reminder that some of the most valuable collectibles are born from accidents rather than design. Its rarity, history, and unmistakable appearance ensure its place as one of the crown jewels of U.S. numismatics. That's all for today's deep dive into one of the rarest and most valuable coins you could ever find. Remember, what looks like ordinary change could be a life-changing treasure if it has the right condition, error, or rarity. On Rare Coin Gallery, we bring you the secrets, true value, errors, and market trends of every coin so you never miss a hidden fortune. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our future coin discoveries. And don't forget to check your change. You might be holding your next $1 million coin.